Hello guys, this is your Shivashankar back with a new video. Today I'll be showing how to install miui 9 to your Lenovo a6000 Plus mobile. To do this, first you go to recovery mode by press and holding volume up and down button with power button. Now after booting to recovery mode, select wipe and select advanced wipe and select Dalvy cache, system data and wipe those things. Now after wiping, go to main menu and select install and select the ROM zip file, that miui 9 zip file, and wipe to flash it. The download link for the ROM zip file I given in the description. You can download it from there. Note, to install this ROM, first you should have installed the KitKat ROM, and after KitKat recovery, after completing all those things, then you can install this miui 9 ROM, because this ROM is based on Android 4.4.4. If you don't know how to downgrade and install this TWRP recovery, I made a video on it. You can watch it over in my channel, or else a link will be in my description. You can download it from there. Sorry, you can view it from there. Now it has been installed. Now reboot the system. Yeah, in this ROM you not need to flash the G apps because it's already built in. Yes, now the setup is complete. Let's boot completely into the system. Yeah, you have successfully installed it. Let me go to settings and show you. See about phones. This ROM is based on Android 4.4.4. It's miui 9 version. That's all guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to view more videos like this. Thank you. I will be making a video in Kannada version too. Please subscribe that too. Thank you.